exploring the genius of Ray Charles, his music, legacy, and unforgettable stories. Have you ever wondered how Ray Charles turned his blindness into an extraordinary musical vision? Despite losing his sight at a young age, Charles transformed his disability into a unique lens through which he viewed and created his music, influencing generations. Ray Charles was a man who not only faced personal adversities, but also challenged societal norms. Growing up in a time of racial segregation, he broke barriers in the music industry, integrating genres and audiences alike with his soulful sounds and charismatic presence. Born in Georgia in 1930, Ray Charles Robinson encountered one of his life's most defining challenges at the age of 7, the loss of his sight. Yet his resilience shone through as he embraced music, finding solace and expression at the St. Augustine School for the Deaf and Blind. In Florida, young Ray began to hone his musical talents, absorbing influences from the local jazz and rhythm and blues scenes. This period was crucial as he started developing what would become his signature style, blending different genres with unparalleled ease and skill. Key influences in Charles's music were not limited to any one genre. He drew inspiration from jazz, gospel, and rhythm and blues, creating a fusion that was entirely his own. This eclectic mix not only defined his music, but also set the stage for modern soul music. Ray Charles burst onto the music scene with his groundbreaking hit, Mess Around. This early release showcased his fearless blending of rhythm and blues with spirited piano playing, setting the stage for a new era in the music industry. Charles's unique style was deeply influenced by jazz, gospel, and R&B. He seamlessly integrated these genres, creating a fresh, vibrant sound that resonated with a diverse audience. His music not only entertained, but also bridged cultural gaps. Georgia on My Mind, perhaps one of Charles's most beloved tracks, marks a pinnacle in his career. The song's emotional depth and soulful delivery turned it into a timeless anthem, deeply personal to Charles, reflecting his love for his home state. The story behind Hit the Road Jack further exemplifies Charles's knack for combining catchy rhythms with relatable lyrics. This song, infused with playful call and response patterns, became a worldwide hit, cementing his status as a musical innovator. I Got a Woman stands out as a revolutionary mix of gospel and R&B. This track laid the foundation for what would later be known as soul music, illustrating Charles's ability to transform traditional forms into groundbreaking musical expressions. Ray Charles was a pivotal figure in the racial integration of the music industry during a time when segregation was prevalent. His performances broke racial barriers, bringing together audiences of all backgrounds through the universal appeal of his music. Charles's role transcended mere entertainment. He used his influence to challenge and change the norms of the music industry. By insisting on performing in integrated venues, he set a precedent that helped pave the way for other artists of color. Despite his own struggles with addiction, Ray Charles's musical journey was marked by resilience and redemption. His battles with heroin addiction were well documented, reflecting a period of personal turmoil that contrasted sharply with his professional success. His legal troubles, often related to his addiction, also painted a picture of a man facing enormous personal challenges. These incidents, however, never overshadowed his musical achievements and only added layers to his complex persona. Throughout his career, Ray Charles garnered numerous accolades, including multiple Grammy wins. These awards celebrated his innovative contributions to music and underscored his ability to resonate with both critics and the general public alike. Ray Charles was not only a musical innovator, but also a frequent recipient of the music industry's highest honors. His collection of Grammy Awards highlights a career filled with groundbreaking achievements, celebrating his unique blend of rhythm and blues, gospel, and jazz influences. Beyond his own personal successes, Charles was deeply committed to charitable work, particularly in the field of auditory research. His foundation, the Ray Charles Foundation, dedicates resources to help those with hearing impairments, continuing his legacy of overcoming sensory challenges through music. Charles's impact on popular culture extended well beyond his music. His life and career were dramatically portrayed in the film Ray, which brought his story to a new generation of fans. The movie underscored his importance in shaping the musical landscape. Despite his worldwide fame, Ray Charles enjoyed simple pleasures and had varied interests outside the music studio. An avid chess player, he often surprised people with his ability to play the game proficiently despite his blindness, showcasing his sharp mind. The Ray Charles Foundation remains a vital part of his legacy, focusing on educational scholarships as well as auditory research. Through this work, Charles's influence continues to resonate in the fields of music and science, helping future generations to hear and create music. Ray Charles's legacy continues to resonate in contemporary music, influencing artists across genres. His fusion of soul, jazz, and R&B laid the groundwork for modern music, inspiring musicians to experiment and blend styles, creating rich, innovative sounds that push boundaries. Fans worldwide cherish Ray Charles's music for its emotional depth and timeless appeal. His songs not only showcase his musical genius, but also speak to the human experience, resonating with people from all walks of life. His ability to connect through music remains unparalleled. Ray Charles was not just a studio musician. His live performances were electrifying. Audiences were captivated by his dynamic presence and powerful voice. Each performance was a testament to his skill and passion, leaving lasting impressions on all who watched. The emotional power of Ray Charles's music is profound, with each song telling a story. His ability to convey feelings through music makes every track a narrative journey, deeply touching his listeners. His storytelling through melody and lyrics is a hallmark of his genius. Ray Charles's music has been a popular choice for film and television soundtracks, adding depth and emotion to many scenes. His songs enhance the narrative, creating an immersive experience that aligns perfectly with visual storytelling, demonstrating his enduring influence on popular culture. Ray Charles was not just a musical innovator, he was a trailblazer in artist rights and music ownership. His insistence on controlling his own music publishing set new standards in the industry, empowering musicians to retain more control over their creations. He was rightfully inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1986, an honor that recognized his profound impact on the world of music. This accolade highlighted his role in shaping the landscape of blues, soul, and rock music. Ray Charles also played a significant role in music education, using his songs to teach listeners about the depths of blues and soul music. His work remains a crucial resource for understanding these genres, providing a foundation for both students and enthusiasts. Throughout his life, Ray Charles achieved numerous milestones that left an indelible mark on the music world. His journey from a young, blind boy in Florida to a global music icon is a testament to his resilience and talent. To continue exploring the genius of Ray Charles, subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel. Dive deeper into his story and discover more about how his legacy continues to influence music around the globe today.